ADA USDT Overview. The cost of this signal and analysis is to like, comment, share, and subscribe to support this channel's growth. Trading style, spot. Target time frame, approximately 1 month between take-profit targets. Entry levels, 0.3040 to 0.4224. Take-profit targets, target 1, 0.6624. Target 2, 0.7686. Target 3, 0.8916. Target 4, 1.0052. Target 5, 1.2086. Stop loss level, 0.1840. The secret to success in trading financial markets. Observe carefully. Don't rush. Trade with simple lines, trend lines, price channels, support, and resistance. Trade with me. Important recommendation. After reaching each take-profit target, move your stop loss to your entry or last take-profit price. This helps protect your profits and limit losses if the market trend changes. Be sure to enter after a pullback. Disclaimer. This analysis is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered investment advice.